The Sanus tilting TV wall mount offers a broad compatibility range, securely supporting medium to very large flat-screen televisions while accommodating common VISA patterns for easy matching with most modern sets. Its tilting mechanism allows you to angle the screen downward without tools, which meaningfully reduces glare from windows and overhead lighting and makes movies and sports more comfortable to watch. A lateral shift feature lets you slide the television left or right on the wall plate after installation, so you can center the screen visually even when the wall studs are not in the ideal spots. The mount sits very close to the wall for a clean, low-profile look, yet still provides quick access to cables through discrete pull straps, and the heavy-gauge steel construction feels solid and secure. Installation is straightforward thanks to the clear, three-step process and included hardware, so even cautious do-it-yourself users can get a stable mount on the wall in well under an afternoon. Overall, this Sanus mount combines strong build quality, thoughtful adjustment options, and a slim aesthetic that makes it a reliable choice for upgrading a living room or home theater setup.